Hello, hello, hello. A very, very good morning. I hope you have had a great, weekend last week. You're in the middle of a week, and February is kind of coming to an end. The question to all of us is how can we grow the business in the following months? As I'm talking to more and more businesses. Yesterday, I was talking to a garment retailer, right? And the pattern seems to be similar. October, November was good. December was okay, but January and February it seems to be falling off, and a lot of hope is being put on this wedding season ahead. At the same time, what's really happening is that, yeah, please give me some of those thumbs up and love so that the Facebook is able to recognize that you like this kind of stuff and you want more of such stuff, right? Thank you so much. So too many of us are beginning to depend on this wedding season that is coming ahead. At the same time, there's a whole wave 2 corona restrictions that are coming. There are some states which are high Niladri. There are some states which are imposing a kind of a lockdown. I don't know the effectiveness. If you start at 11 in the night and close it at 6 in the morning, whereas some states are still evaluating. So we don't know how this, phase 2 will roll out. The question really is, are you going to wait for external forces to determine your business, or are you doing something which is under your control? One of the things that we've been talking to all our clients really is a loyalty program, right? And knowing us and our business, I can give you a whole lot of objections to a loyalty program. And but the point here really is, how do you benefit from whatever challenges that you are really facing? And I was just telling you that I had this call from a Hyderabad garment retailer. So I said, how long you been in business? He said, maybe 20 years. And how large is your database? He said, no, sir, we don't take any contact numbers. So I told him that, no, you must connect. And when I met him yesterday, he said, sir, we have already got 600 in probably 4 weeks, right? 4 or 6 weeks. So if he's able to get 600 contacts of his customers or potential customers, because some of them did not buy, right? So you can imagine that you can reach out to these people, because now you have a means of reaching out to them. What are the means that we can do it on another day? And I've recently identified 9 different ways of reaching out to customers, which is not physical, right? So too many of us are dependent on a physical walk-in. Too many retailers are really dependent on so-called wedding seasons, right? Yet at the same time, we are missing out on an opportunity to connect with them. We have to be proactive. The pre-COVID season is when probably customers would walk into our stores, but now is the time when we have to get out of the comfort of our air-conditioned showrooms. And I was talking to another retailer, right? So I was talking to the staff, and I said, it's a mindset challenge. The salesman who has been always used to working inside a store is very unlikely to be willing to go out in the hot sun and reach out to consumers. But there is a via media, right? Either you recruit people who are open and willing to travel, right? Corona restrictions being followed, or even otherwise. How can your existing staff connect to your customers, right? So I really want to leave this point, which is basically increase your dependency on what you can control and reduce the dependency on what you cannot control. Too many of us expect customers will just walk in. Weddings which were 2,000, 3,000 people have been whittled down to hundreds and 200s. So there are challenges. Will consumers spend that kind of money on on their weddings? Now you can always argue that the money that is spent on let's say hospitality, like in this hotel, right, which incidentally is having a 10% occupancy, right, you can argue that all this money that was spent on location and celebrations is now going to be spent on self. But my point is, have you connected with that customer to say, listen, why don't you invest, why don't you what do you call use that money, for example, to build a new wardrobe for yourself, for example, or help them to maybe invest a portion of that with you, right, which they can redeem it over a period of time. So you see, once you start thinking about new ideas and new initiatives, right, then you are beginning to connect with that kind of a customer whom we are so eager to hopefully, you're so eager that that customer comes and shops, but at the same time you have not made much of an effort to connect with that customer. So thank you so much, and I hope you like it, and thanks Niladri one more time. And we are seeing a lot of traction in these kind of quick ideas and tips. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. One last thing, after tomorrow, Friday, that's Friday at 2, I have a webinar on how to grow your business. So if that's of interest to you, we talk about overall 5 things: how to do a planning for this year and forward next to 12 months. We will talk about consumer marketing, promotions and things like that. We'll talk about merchandise. We will talk about store operations. We will talk about staff training, and there are totally 5 things, right? So I look forward to you joining in. There are lots of people who are showing interest, and this will be like a once a month program. So we would urge you to join that program. Then you have almost 30 days of implementation. So you can come back, let's say 30 days from Friday, right? So which is on 25th of March. This is 26th of February when we start with this first session. Then we'll follow it up with a 25th of March. I have a particular reason why we want to do it in the last week of the previous month, so that you have a full 30 days to plan for the subsequent month. And my urge to you, and I hope that more and more of you will take the benefit. The big advantage is, you don't have to move out of your store. You can sit in a quiet place, get a laptop, and you will be getting the best of ideas for you to implement and grow your business. So this is at 2 o'clock on Friday. Note down my number if you want to join this program. It's a paid program. So my number is 9036036524. I'll repeat, 90, which is very simple to remember really, is 90 degrees, 360 degrees, 365 days and 24 hours. So anybody, whether you are in the jewelry space, whether you are in some other space, take this advantage. There are very, very few programs like that. I don't think of, I can't recollect any such program that's currently happening. So please do take advantage of this program, and I look forward to seeing you on Friday at 2 o'clock on a Zoom call. Thank you so much, and bye. See you soon.